Taking a look at today's equity index futures markets, let's look at the S&P 500 futures as they're able to find some stability today and hold on to a gain after a week of heavy selling pressure. S&P 500 futures experienced some volatility today, but able to find higher prices as we move into the close here. Currently priced around 57.70. So that's up on the day, but nonetheless, we did see some higher prices, then lower prices, and then some higher prices to finish out the session. Currently, looking at the futures market, it's trading basically at the lowest level in several months. And when you look at the factors contributing to the price action today, a couple of things influencing the market. Number one, early non-farm payrolls coming out, highly anticipated labor data, came in line with expectations, and there was a great deal of uncertainty before that number came out. We did see higher prices after the release of that data, but it was not enough to stem the concerns about economic activity moving forward, and that appears to be really the contributing factor as to why we're seeing the selling pressure the last couple of weeks as the markets are digesting several data inputs and trying to sort out if the economy is going to be able to hold on to this momentum that it's carried for the last couple of years. And with that, the S&P 500 futures experienced some pretty heavy selling pressure in the middle of the session. We did see all the major futures markets lower in the middle of the day, but then as we moved through the afternoon, some buying pressure was able to move us higher pretty much across the board today. So at least short term, finding some higher prices to close out this week. And when you look at the general price action, the S&P 500 index now is trading at the lowest level since November of last year. So we continue to maintain this lower price action throughout 2025, and particularly really over the last couple of weeks, which has now moved us down to the lowest level since last November. And that appears to be the case pretty much across the board when you look at the other major equity indexes, as we're seeing again them trading at the lowest level here for several months. S&P 500 futures, though, able to find some buying pressure late in the day to hold on to a gain in today's session.